go get him again.
Welcome back to the BENZOIN channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Elizabeth Arden, and this one called Untold Absolu, a flanker of Untold, which I've never smelt before. I didn't even know Elizabeth Arden still made fragrances, honestly. I think this is a first on my channel from the brand, storied brand. Yeah, we're gonna delve into Elizabeth Arden, and thanks to fragflex.com as always. They want me to decant this thing, I will, but first we need to do a video. We need to unbox it, and I need to give my thoughts. So let's get into it. Now, before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I'd really appreciate you if you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button at the same time. Much appreciated. To my returnees, merci beaucoup for your support. You can hit the like button as well. Now, let's get into the note breakdown. An interesting note breakdown. Plum, raspberry, ginger, and bergamot up top. Okay, so we're going to take a look at plum and raspberries. It's going to be like a fruity, sweet thing. We'll see. In the middle, we got jasmine, narcissus. So we got some florals. And in the base, we got vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin. Oh, she's going to be vanillic. All three of those give out vanillic themes. Okay, so we could have a very sweet fragrance in front of me here in cashmere wood to end it. This was released in 2014. Let's open her up, and instead of, usually in the flap when there's wording, I'm like, oh, there's gonna be a weird atomizer, but it actually says, to be beautiful is the birthright of every woman. It's a good quote. All right. Oh, this is dark juice. This is, it could be very ambery, hopefully. That's what we're hoping for. Unique bottle. I thought it was a heart, but it's honestly just a circle, but it's twisted. It's kind of like hypnose, and it's got gold around it. That is an interesting bottle. Really nicely, cheap cap, but the bottle's interesting. Okay, so let's put it on strip first, then we'll put it on skin. Weak sauce atomizer, not a very good one. Let's sniff this one. Oh. Whoa. That is surprising. In a good way. That is... Those bass notes came out swinging. Oh, that's nasty. In a good way. Oh. It is dark tonka benzoin vanilla thing. Holy. Oh, it's got a little bit of that resinous. Oh, it's nice. It's not great. Like, pump the brakes a little bit. It's not great as like a Grand Soir or something like that in the resinous vanillic section of things. But for a designer, I don't know how much this stuff is. If this is in the bargain bin, this is excellent for a bargain bin scent. Right off the bat. I don't even care what else it gives me. Oh, the plum shows up. Oh, that is nice. It's just getting better. Okay, let's put it on skin. You know, this is what I like about this Fragflex haul, is that just like Elizabeth Arden, like, when am I going to be, like me? Like, and I don't mean that in a bad way. Like, Elizabeth Arden is more like feminine fragrances. And then again, I don't draw the line in the sand, but it's like, I don't know, like who's checking out Elizabeth Arden as a male fragrance reviewer? Probably not too many of us. Me. And this is a quote unquote kind of a hidden gem. Now, I'm not like that kind of fragrance reviewer that's gonna say masterpiece. Like every fifth review, there's fragrance reviewers saying that they smell masterpieces. No, but holy crap, this came out of left field. It has characteristics of a syrupy, ambery thing, which is absolutely gorgeous, but it's much tamer. Like, you don't feel, you know, when you got a benzoin-based scent, you feel the resins, right? You feel it. Not here, but there is that, a little bit of that. I like the warmth in this one. I really do. I smelt a lot of bad tonka-based fragrances and vanillic fragrances lately, and honestly, this is a breath of fresh air. Like, there's too many cheap fragrances out there, and this is This is nice. It's a pleasure to smell something like this from a brand that, you know, Elizabeth Arden, for me, it reminds me of like sub $50 fragrances. I wasn't expecting anything out of this fragrance. I was half expecting to pan it. I'm surprised. I really like this. The plum comes out too. It's there. So, and the florals, really, jasmine and narcissus. Bah. Yeah. So at the end of the day, this is highly unisex, by the way. So all the men out there that really like ambery fragrances, you gotta like your sweet fragrances, like ambery vanillic things. Temper your expectations though. Like, don't think this is gonna be a $200 ambery thing, but it's good for, I'm thinking it's probably 50 bucks top end, I'm assuming. I might be wrong. It might be more expensive than that, but this is good for what it is. And if you like plum, this has it. It's there. I've seen way too many men's fragrances have plum in the note breakdown, and everybody and their mother is saying, oh, I smell the plum, it's amazing. And I'm like, there's no plum in here. I don't smell that at all in the men's genre. And people are craving for that kind of stuff. Here it is in the feminine aisle. Yeah. Surprising. Yeah, it's a good one. Elizabeth Arden. What's the name of this one again? Untold Absolu. So you got to get the absolute version. Yeah, this works. Now, you can find this one. I'm curious now. I want to go on fragflex.com, go see how much this is. Go check out Fragflex, and you can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide, so you don't have to buy this, but let's see how much it is on Fragflex. I can't wait to go see, but I have to decant this, so I'm not keeping any of it. Sad face, but it's a solid one. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly, right? Let us know, and I know there's a bunch of these Untolds. Like, this is a flanker. Let us know if any other ones are decent. But if you have smelt this, and I know I got 4 female subscribers, it's got to be 1 out of the 4 that have smelt this, I would think. Good and bad. And again, you don't have to co-sign me. I don't care. If you say this is trash, go right ahead, trash it. And it's very linear. There's nothing going on here. You gotta like benzoin forward fragrances with a vanillic hue and plum. And I'm assuming the plum is going to burn off. So it's just going to be that. And it's like a mid tier. Like, don't, again, tamper your expectations. Like, I'm not trying to start any hype here. But it's not bad. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. And again, keep your mind open because you may find something like this in the bargain bin. Thanks for watching YouTube. Have a good one.